play, do, go. I, tennis. I play tennis. Sports, with ball, play. I play tennis. Second, I, cycling. I go cycling. Sports, ending with ing. Go. I, yoga. I do yoga. Sports, without ball. Do. I do yoga. Next, I go swimming. Next, I, cricket. I play cricket.